Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum all of my friends. Welcome in K.zkitchen. Friends, everyone loves biryani and now it has become a street food also. On every occasion, people must cook biryani. There are a lot of kinds of biryanis which we made at our homes and also we visit to the restaurants for eating it. So let's start the recipe of this special chicken biryani restaurant style by K.zkitchen. Here I have 3 to 4 boiled potatoes and also I gave them yellow color. Also here I have red colored chicken. It's half kg. I sprinkle some red food color on the top of this chicken and then I washed. Here I have 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Here I have 1 and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Let's get them side, and furthermore I have some more spices. These all will add in bagha. Here I have 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom, 1 anise flower, 8 to 10 cloves and 3 black cardamoms, half teaspoon black peppers and 2 normal size cinnamon sticks. Here I have 3/4 cup of ghee. I'm using ghee and I have added my all holy spices in it. Now I will fry these. In the same ghee I have fried my onions for this recipe. Now I'm adding my chicken which I have given red color. Okay, let's fry it. Just we have to fry it little bit because it's chicken and its cooking time is very scant. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, also little bit water in it and saute well. Okay, now I have uploaded the recipe of special biryani masala. Here it is. It's about 3 tablespoon. Mix and fry these spices with your chicken. This restaurant style recipe you will definitely follow because its result is 110%. Here I have 4 to 5 medium size tomatoes paste. I have added in it. Let's cook. We don't have to dry complete water of this gravy. Now I am adding my yogurt. Fry it again. You can check the color and I can feel the fragrance of this. Here I have crispy fried onions. It's maximum 1 cup and in this gravy just I will add only 1/4 cup. I am crushing the onion and then I am adding in it. After adding the crushed onions, I will cook it only for 4 to 5 minutes. Here I have boiled some water. I have added 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 black peppers, 2 cloves, and also some fresh mint leaves. Let's boil this. Also, I am adding 4 teaspoon salt. Okay. These are basmati rice, which I washed and then soaked before only 30 minutes. Drop all of these in boiling water. Mix little bit because they are already soaked. Okay, I just added 1 teaspoon ghee in this boiling water also. Let's come to our korma. Here it is ready. You can check the consistency of this gravy. That is not too much dry. Now I'm adding my boiled potatoes. Here I have some sliced tomatoes, sliced lemon, some whole green chilies, half bunch mint leaves, half bunch coriander, and some dry plums. I'm gonna mix these and we will add a little quantity in this gravy. Okay, let's add just. Okay, now our rice are ready. I am adding first layer of 30% cooked rice. You can check. These are not completely cooked or boiled. It's our first layer, and then on 50% cooking, I will place my second layer of rice. This. I will add in first layer half of rice or more than half. After that, I am gonna spread again my garnishing and also some fried onions. I will make another layer of our rice on the top of this garnishing. Now these are also not completely cooked. These are 90%. Spread evenly. Now I am adding its orange food color and 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk. I mixed these together and I used here on the top of our biryani. Now I am adding my remaining garnishing and also remaining fried onions. And I will give a rest about 20 minutes. I covered its lid with a napkin and also I will place a pan in the bottom of this biryani pot. It's getting rest. Now it's ready. Mashallah. You can see how much fresh biryani is ready. Our special chicken restaurant style biryani recipe is ready now. Mashallah, you can check the colors and also you can check the freshness, and it's not watery and not too much oily. Mashallah. Let's serve our biryani. So viewers, I hope you liked my video and definitely you are gonna adopt this method which I told you. So if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly go and like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you could get all of my fresh recipes first. Mashallah. And you can check the chicken pieces are whole. These are not broken. You can see the view of our biryani. Mashallah, it's looking very well and excellent. Biryani lovers, Be happy. You have a great recipe by KZ Kitchen. Now go and make this recipe. Okay, viewers, see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Enjoy my recipe, please.